If you're studying English now, or if you are fluent in English, but sometimes people don't quite understand what you say, this video might help. We're going to look at one aspect of English pronunciation. It's called voicing. This term might be a little confusing because whenever you're speaking, you're using your voice. Well, there are some sounds that don't require any voice, and these are called voiceless sounds. When we talk about voicing, this concept of voicing, we're mainly talking about consonants. So we have voiced consonants and voiceless consonants. The voiced sounds are b, d, g, v, z, and j. And the voiceless sounds are p, t, k, f, s, and ch. This is important to know. If you make an error in voicing, you can completely change the meaning of something that you say. Here's an example. There's a gigantic buck in your bathtub.
Oh, you mean bug. There's a bug in the bathtub. I'm so sorry. Let me get that out.
Buck, bug. The only difference in these two sounds is voicing. The K sound is a voiceless sound, and the G or G is a voiced sound. Let me give you a clearer example of voiced and voiceless sounds, an example you can actually feel in your body. Put your hand right there on your vocal cords and try this along with my class. Okay, so what I want you to do is first put your hand right here on your throat. This is your voice box or your vocal cords where your voice comes from. And now make this sound, this continuous S sound. Great, okay. Now change it to a Z sound. And then go back and forth, S and Z. What do you feel? Do you feel something?
Yes.
What do you feel?
Vibration.
Vibration. So you probably realized by now that S is voiceless, you didn't feel any vibration, and Z is voiced because you felt the vibration. But I wonder if you noticed that you didn't have to change your mouth movements or your mouth position at all when you changed from S to Z. We used the exact same mouth movements for both S and for Z, as you can see in this video. So S and Z are a pair, and we can make these sounds continuously, so it's easy to feel the difference in the vibration between voiced and voiceless. There are 6 other consonant pairs, and in these it's a little harder to hear the difference between the voiced and voiceless sounds. So put your hand on your throat again and say these sounds as I say them. See if you can feel the vibration for the voiced sound. And we'll say the voiced sound first in each pair. B, p, d, t, g, k, v, f, j, ch. It's easy to make an error with a voiced and voiceless sound and say something you don't really mean to say, because there are many pairs of words in English that are exactly the same, except for the difference in voicing. And here are some possible errors, some examples of possible errors in voicing.
May I have a bear?
A bear? I don't have any bears. Oh, you mean pear.
Do you think he's joking?
Joking? No, I think he's choking. I think we better help. Are you ready?
I just need to get my goat.
Your goat? Your goat? You're bringing a goat? Oh, you mean coat. Oh, coat.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air